Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today we will be making 5-minute easy paratha. For this recipe, you will need 2 cups plain flour, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon oil, and 1.5 cup of flour. Step 1. Add the flour with the salt and pepper and mix it well. Step 2. Add the water and mix well. Step 3. Add the oil and egg and mix it well. Step 4. Get a pan and put some oil on it and spread it around the pan with a brush. Then, get a big spoon and carefully pour some of the mixture on the pan and let it cook for 2 minutes. Cook it on medium flame, and when you think it is ready, flip it and wait for the other side to cook. Paratha is ready. You can eat it with anything you want. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. See you all next time. Bye.